Traveling to Hanamura. Prepare your defenses. Select from the
Like,
plan.
I mean, honestly, if you do something that you're like almost as good as you would be on support, just whatever that is, even if it's like a wonky pick.
You wanna play Ryan instead, and I can play something?
Yeah, sure. I'll play Ryan for you then.
Alright. I'll go Zarya.
Fences in place.
I might be late though, so gonna be questionable.
Oh yeah, you're really late. So fuck up.
5, 4, 3,
System optimized.
1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
My sentry is destroyed. Turret online.
Oh no, I can't heal you. Oh, thank God for Garmin.
There's one.
You're on your own over there. Be careful. Yeah, I'm back with you real quick. Okay, you're on your own again.
Turret in place.
Alright, good. We got it.
My teleporter is almost ready to deploy.
I'm gonna bubble you, Ryan. Take damage from me. 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to my reality. Teleporter online. I have opened the door. Welcome to my reality.
We have a widow. Careful.
Oh, now you're careful.
Welcome to my
I can't jump back and forth now. Genji on the right, Genji on the right. Okay, he's way back. Alright, you're gonna have to one big shot.
Recharging.
Genji comes through, I can't jump across now.
I am restored.
9-1.
Oh no.
I can bubble you. Come. No, fuck.
Oh, I'm so glad you blocked that. That was fucking wrong.
Welcome to my reality. Fire at will.
Oh, there's still a haunted round
Oh,
there.
I should have done that. Oh.
Hold the gate, dude. We have a telly. Just try to hold it on.
Welcome to my
Probably
reality.
fuck here.
I have a res now, so if you guys can just fight like all of you, run up there and die. Shit, man, I can't.
Okay, I'm going in.
We're too far apart from houses.
I can't res that dude.
Welcome to my reality. My teleporter is offline.
Right.
The path is closed.
I took it for you.
Welcome to my reality. What we will witness.
Oh dear.
Okay, I just sold a res, fuck. Man, you got me anyway, dude. God damn it.
Welcome to my reality. My ultimate is almost
I can bubble you. Ryan, come back. No, bro.
Welcome to my reality.
Fuck. I should have stayed with you.
Sentry was destroyed. Teleporter ready for
Fuck.
deployment.
Yeah, that's not one of them.
Ready for
Oh
deployment.
shit, I was gonna say, if we can stall that, we can tell you.
Welcome to my reality.
We could have fought that if I stayed with Ryan.
I feel like if you would have jumped across that field, it's fine though.
objective lost.
I wanna play
Welcome
Zarya
to
second
my
point.
reality.
I'm 56.
Shield making established. Aligning defense system.
We really gotta watch out for the Genji now. Oh, no, he switched off.
Welcome to my reality.
Can you monkey? Can you go in and take some damage?
They have a May. They have a May now. And
Need-
Seagull May, so be careful. Oh, watch out behind you. The wall behind you. I can't heal you guys. Oh my god, we're fucked back here.
Welcome to my reality.
Good slam.
Yeah, you got me. Like that. Good
There is still
job.
much to be done. My shield generator has been destroyed.
Watch out for the Widow, dude. She's gonna snipe us all, dude. Oh, thank God. Okay, we're safe.
Good high ground.
Going back high ground.
Turret in place.
We've really been careful about this.
Wall.
I can't walk. I'm stuck far right.
I have ult.
Can't.
I almost have rest.
I'm ulting this.
85.
Ready, get ready. I'm ulting this.
Okay. I'm walled off from you guys.
Welcome to my reality.
I did it.
I'm with you soon. God. With you soon. With you. Go.
We have res
I'm gonna jump into the rest. I'm gonna jump into the rest, but I'm beside. I have to fucking solo res. God damn it. That cost me so much.
I should have switched ult, sorry. So
It's
bad.
an illusion. Projecting barrier.
Round 1 complete. Score 0-2. Switching sides. 1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
Have a man. Shield going down.
Oh boy.
I got too greedy.
There's a soldier in the window, I think.
Yeah.
Wall faded. You have no wall.
You guys want to go in. I'm not quite the res, but I'm getting there.
Can do something. Walking out.
Oh, there's the wall. I have rest.
I really don't know what to do on this game. I have grab and 5.
My ultimate is almost ready.
Okay, I have res, so we should just
The
go
main
in after,
fucking
after
save
the
it.
wall. Go in after the wall. Run at him. But stay near. Stay near. But just walk in and start shooting at him. Stay near them.
So I'm healing without fucking.
5 minutes.
I had to get Sim. Oh boy, you're. Oh no, you're okay. Don't get one shot, dude. Oh.
Ready for deployment.
No one can hide from
My
light.
ultimate ability is teleport online.
I'm gonna try something else. I'm gonna go Tracer.
Okay, so we're back here. What now?
I don't know. We're winning, guys. We got 2, and they have to
Yeah,
walk
no,
a
I
lot
can, man.
further.
We must take it quickly.
I have grab again.
Almost ready.
My ultimate is charging.
I claim this objective. Stand with me. Objective A
I'm gonna go soldier.
captured.
My ultimate is
Commence
charged.
Okay.
attack.
That's probably a good idea. I agree.
Let's go to point and walk lower. Go main and go lower. Too.
Oh, good job. We got a pick, guys. See if we
I
can.
fucking dare you to do that one more time. I'm about to type that.
Where's May? Where's May?
Use wall.
Left wall. Hit it.
Oh, I'm dead, dude. I'm under. The hog's coming for me.
There's one point.
Wait up on left.
Sentry deployed.
I was switching classes when you guys went in. Plus the May, we need to be careful with the May one.
My ultimate is almost ready.
Have a widow.
There is still much to be done.
Oh,
Welcome to my reality.
I have a res, so we'll see what we can do. You guys are walled.
I will feed you. Birth of the lion.
We got 2 kicks. I'm gonna see if I can res you too. I don't know if I can get the run in time. I got
My
it.
servants never die.
Get over here.
I'm with you, Ryan. I'm with you. I'm with you, Ryan.
I claim this objective.
No!
Stand with me.
Oh shit.
My ultimate
That was
ability
so
is
dumb,
ready.
dude.
Teleporter
That was so dumb.
teleporter ready for deployment.
Insta-kills?
Dude, he one-shot me too.
That was so dumb. I should have never picked.
I didn't even know that. I was like, okay, I'm not gonna insta-die.
I got too cocky. Way too
I have
cocky.
grab again.
Yeah, what? Why would I do that?
Welcome to my
Yeah, we're
reality.
doing good. We got 2 ticks of time left. We can do this.
What is up top mid?
Is Widow hanging around top left? Or
What
top
is
right?
mid? No, where's bottom mid?
Oh, okay.
Bottom mid.
Okay, okay.
Follow me.
Understood.
I don't have rest for
Up right.
50%.
Let's go top right so I can buy some.
That was
The main is probably hiding here. Just group up on the right hand side. Everybody walk in together.
Let's break that wall, maybe.
This will protect us. Turret in place.
Oh, buy some. Oh, no, no.
My servants never die.
Wait, mid.
Welcome to my reality.
Damn, he got me.
Horrible.
Double kill.
My
Well,
work is not complete. My power grows.
Personne n'échappe.
Creating a barrier.
What the fuck? Why are these guys like? I don't know. They literally go crazy.
Come out and face me.
Like we're like full
what do we do? Let's just grip up. Let's go main. Go over the point, please. We're not gonna win.
Protect
Grip
you.
fight. Grip up.
What? Fuck.
Oh man.
Teleporter online.
Alright, let's use that telly, guys. Let's all go right, just spam right. Spam right with
We
telly.
know.
Let's
Oh,
go.
Little left,
Right,
little
right.
left.
I can
Chill out,
do it,
and
Oh,
everybody.
we got Musta behind us. Musta
Chill
behind
out,
us.
chill out, chill out. Alright, nice.
No one can hide.
Okay, we
We don't
don't.
come in soon.
Fire at will when we want to witness.
Oh, Widow behind, dude. He's on Widow in the main room.
On point.
I will shield you.
Stay up here so I can heal you. Don't jump down. I have a
I
res.
couldn't.
I
I
have a
got
res. Let's go. We have telly. Let's go. We'll go on ball 6. Let's just go in there. We have a telly. Just keep flooding in. Let's go.
Please! You pressed me into a maze.
I didn't know if you still got it.
I just wanted to take the fucking TP
I am on fire.
so I could be high ground too.
We have another guy died. I listened to this. Stay out here, Jack. Stay out here.
Push me, yeah.
Yeah, good job.
Complete.
Welcome to my reality.
Double kill. Score 2-2. One. 60 seconds remaining. Capture objective A.
Sniper! This will protect you.
That's a monkey.
That's really questionable, man.
No!
Oh, that wall.
Why don't we die? Why don't we die? We don't have a hog. Oh, they do.
30 seconds.
We have no wall.
Oh, you got it.
But
I almost have res, guys. I almost have res. Look after that wall. Flood in. I have
Wall
res.
again.
Flood in.
Welcome
Go, go.
to my
Die near the wall. Die near the wall.
Attack, attack.
Stay here, dying in the wall. Keep shooting now. Try to get fixed.
This will protect
Oh my
us.
god, man.
10 seconds.
I wanted to res, but
Welcome
Look at one.
to my
no, I had to get two. You died right when I went back.
Teleporter ready for
That's fine.
deployment.
I can go through it.
My ultimate ability teleporter. Welcome to my reality.
Round 3. Complete. Score 2-2. Switching sides.
She just dived there.
We dive with that.
Wait,
Oh,
two
man.
mercy mates?
Yeah, we have 2 mercy rings in that thing.
Who's the second one?
I'm not being toxic, I'm just saying, like, you can't dive with that.
I know,
Turret
but
deployed.
you physically can't have these two mercy mates.
Attackers incoming in 30
It's not.
seconds.
It's impossible. We'll go anywhere.
Aligning defense system.
Five, 4, 3,
Perfect alignment.
1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
My ultimate is charging. Welcome to my reality.
I have found
My ultimate is charging.
Mercy.
Creating a
Can't
barrier.
forget the earth shatter.
Oh my
Put your
god.
barrier up, man.
We have a tele option?
We move swiftly.
Some mercy.
I gotta run away. I'm gonna run
Sorry,
away.
Killing station behind you, Ryan.
Okay, I'm back with you. You're over there for free though. I was with you.
I'm slapped in here. 10.
Oh boy.
Barrier.
I have a res now.
Let me know when the widow's up top.
Perception is your weakness.
I have biceps on.
Put it up top, put it up top.
Welcome to my reality.
Just
No, on top of the door, not the windows.
Run 1.
They're going left, guys. They're going left. They're going left right behind you. Good reaction to that.
Time to avoid.
There is still much to be done.
I'm slapping here, charging it.
Oh my god.
Shatter.
We've been telling guys to just try to die one at a time slowly. Try to be careful. Oh, good hook, man. Good hook. Oh.
Triple point. Triple
Yeah,
point,
Telly.
really.
Oh my god, no, he's missed.
I love you, Sim. I love you so much right now. Oh my god.
Perfect alignment.
Dude, that was, oh my god. That was the best thing ever.
I want to see what happened.
My teleporter is
So that we can play
online.
the game.
There's one tally left. That was shit. Better save it for me, I guess.
Nails coming up.
Fuck you. X.
You have to sit on point, yeah. We would have to sit on point.
My
Shit, I gotta go right then.
I should go point then, yeah. Good point, good point.
We're going left. Roadhog left. Roadhog left. We need to track the point, guys. You're gonna die on the point. Shit. We got one kick.
Stay on point, stay on point.
Down?
Stay on point.
Quit louding, Captain. Kill.
And it's low.
I
We have to work
never
it out.
I'm so dirty. I abused them for a second.
Final score.
I feel like the draw is pretty good for like.
Oh my god, I didn't rest my mic. I feel like the draw is pretty good considering what we were paired against and having two mercy mains.
Yeah.
Like I'm totally
Wait,
satisfied
you
right
gotta
now.
Satisfied,
Oh,
he said.
That's fine.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
going to
Sim
give a
main
prayer
and two-
after this game for drawing this.
We could have won if I don't go hog, but I'm a team player.
Hey, it is fine, man. We could have won if I
It is
didn't mistake
one
I
shot.
made. I could have won it for it. Dude, is it Maze? Is it just a chest shot one shot you when Maze boosted? It looks like I
Yes.
just got shot.
No,
Oh wow.
no, are you crazy?
It's,
It looked like I got shot in the
the
chest.
projectile hit.
Traveling to Hanamura. Prepare your defenses. Select
From the
Like,
plan.
I mean, honestly, if you do something that you're like almost as good as you would be on support, just whatever that is, even if it's like a wonky pick.
You wanna play Ryan instead, and I can play something?
Yeah, sure. I'll play Ryan for you then.
Alright. I'll go Zarya.
Fences in place.
I might be late though, so gonna be questionable.
Oh yeah, you're really late. So fuck up.
5, 4, 3,
System optimized.
1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
My sentry is destroyed. Turret online.
Oh no, I can't really do it. Oh, thank God for already.
There's one. Nice
Oh, you're on over there.
Personne n'échappe à mon
I can't walk in.
Wall.
I can't walk in. I'm stuck far right.
I have ult.
Can't.
I almost have red.
I'm out in this, I'm out in
85.
this. Ready, get ready. I'm out in this.
Okay. I'm walled off from you guys.
Welcome to my reality.
I'll be there.
Left sector.
I'm with you soon. God. With you soon. With you. Go.
We have res left.
Alright. I'm gonna jump into the res. I'm gonna jump into the res, but I'll be sniped. I have to fucking solo res. God damn it. Back off.
I should have switched out, sorry. So bad.
An illusion. Protecting barrier.
Round 1. Complete. Score. 0.
Fire at will.
Oh, there's still haunted round
Oh,
there.
I should have done that. Oh,
Hold the gate, dude. We have a telly. Just try to hold it on.
Welcome to my
Probably
reality.
fuck here.
Personne n'échappe à mon
I
regard.
have a res now, so if you guys can just fight like all of you, run up there and die. Shit, man, I can't.
okay, I'm going in.
You're too far apart.
I can't res that
Literally
dude.
across the
Welcome to my reality. My telephone is offline.
Hey.
The path is closed.
I took it for you.
Welcome to my reality. What we hope to witness.
Oh dear.
Okay, I just solo res, fuck. Man, you got me anyway, dude. God damn it.
Welcome to my reality. My ultimate is almost
I can follow you. Ryan, come back. No, bro.
Welcome to my reality.
Fuck. I should have stayed with you.
Sentry was destroyed. Teleporter ready for
Fuck.
deployment.
Yeah, that's not
Stall
one
it.
of
Ready for
Oh
deployment.
shit, I was gonna say, if we can stall it, we have
Back
telly.
up.
Welcome to my
Going
reality.
for it.
I coulda.
Yeah, I'm back with you for a second. Okay, you're on your own again.
Turret in place.
Alright, good, we got it. Position.
My teleporter is almost ready to deploy.
I'm gonna bubble you, Ryan. Take damage from me. 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to my reality. Teleporter online. I have opened the door. Welcome to my reality.
We have a widow. Careful.
Oh, now
Serious?
Welcome to my
I can't jump back and forth now. Genji on the right, Genji on the right. Okay, he went back. Alright, you're gonna have to one
Still recharging.
He comes through. I can't jump across now.
I am restored.
9-1.
Oh no.
I came out with you. Come. No, fuck.
Oh, I'm so glad he blocked that. That was fucking wrong.
Welcome to my
We could have fought that if I stayed with Ryan.
I feel like if we would just, if you would have jumped across that, I feel it's fine though.
Objective lost.
I want to
welcome
play Zarya
to my
second point.
reality.
I'm 56.
Shield making established. Aligning defense system.
We really gotta watch out for the Genji now. Oh, I know he switched off.
Welcome to my reality.
Can you monkey? Can you go in and take some damage?
They have a May. They have a May now. And it's Seagull May, so be careful. Oh, watch out behind you. The wall behind you. I can't heal you guys. Oh my god, we're fucked back here.
Welcome to my reality.
Good slam.
Yeah, you got me. I got you. Good
There is still
job.
much to be welcome. My shield generator has been destroyed.
Whatever the widow, dude, she's gonna snipe us all, dude. Oh, thank god. Okay, we're safe.
Good high ground.
Go back high ground.
Turret in place.
We've really been careful that widow.